You're welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'll show you how to fold the back piece of a suit. And this is the back piece of a suit. As you can see, here's the back piece of a suit. We have gone a long way to attach the interfacing of the suit and attach the front piece to the back piece. So now we have to fold this back piece, and we have to do it very professionally to enable it to sleep so very nicely. So to get this done, let's go there. In this my suit, I gave an allowance of 1.5 inch. So I'm going to go ahead to measure this 1.5 inch from the back piece first of all before I start folding this other side. So this is my 1.5 inch. I'm going to be using this washable ink so that you can see what I'm doing so very well. That's why I'm using this ink. Otherwise I would have used a white chalk. This for tutorial purpose. Then see, this is 1.5 inches, so I will mark it. You see that point? I'm marking that point. Then I'll come here 1.5 inches. I'll mark the same point. So what I will do is to fold at that region. See, to fold at that region. Now to get this done, I will turn the whole suit the other way. See, I've already ironed this way. Then I'll come, that my marking is here, and my marking is also here. Then I will go ahead to iron. So I'm done ironing. So the next thing for me to do to keep this in place, because after doing the C is still free. So the next thing to do is to give my marking, and this marking will help me to make a proper seam at this back piece to make it look that catchy and that very relaxed. Now to do this, this is what I will do. Watch what I'm doing so very closely. I will fold this like this, forming an angle. The angle I would desire, I'll be the one that would want the angle that I need. I'll be the one that will create the kind of angle that I want. The shape. So the angle must start from this very point, and this other one will start from this very point. You fold it and it will end at this other end. You don't fold angle like this. You fold angle starting from this point. You place your hand here, then you turn the entire suit because you're seaming on this piece in consonant with this one. So you're putting your hand like this, then like so. Then you go ahead to iron, to press it down. When you're done pressing it down, you can use your cooling stick or clapper to cool it down so that it will remain in that position. Then you come to the other side, you do the same thing. Then you cool it down also. So you see what we're having already. Now we're going to go in to make a seam. Before we make a seam, let's see this. Then I will make a marking at this region. I'll make another marking at this region to enable us to have an accurate seam on this back piece. Now see what I will do. See, I'm marking the entire thing. You can see this marking. I don't want to make it too visible because to wash out this ink is another thing. So you see what I've done. Let me make this a little bit visible. See, you see the marking. You see the marking here also. So I'll go ahead to my sewing machine and make a seam on this. Let's see how it will look like. See what I will do when I want to seam. I will fold. You see this line now? It's coming in consonant with this other line that I ironed. You see this one that I folded? You see it here? It's in continuation with this mark. But enable us have a proper seam. That's why I make this marking. So what I'll go ahead to do is to fold this center point. You're seeing the center point here that is protruding. So it's to fold the center point in consonant with this. See, it's slipping on each other, See what that's giving me. I hope you're getting me very clearly. This marking is slipping on this line. Watch what I'll do. I'll put it like this. Then I'll go and sew. Then I'll do the same thing to this other side. Let's go to the sewing machine. Just like as I said earlier on, you see this is the back piece. Now in the machine, you can see the ink here. The ink will go in alignment with this other crease we are seeing here. So you place it together like this. You see? Now you're not going to sew from this side. You're going to sew from this other side where you're seeing this the crease. So since we have placed it like that, see, place it like this. Then you make sure that center point you're seeing here is where you're going to start your seaming from, or from this other side. But look at what I'm doing. Then now wash. You see the crease? Then this other side, you see the ink? You place it on each other just like this. You see? The two of them are in alignment with each other. Then I'll begin my seam. Just like that. Let's see what we've already got. See? See? You can see the ink still showing here. This is a water ink and it's delible. I can clean it off with just spraying water on it to go. So see how it is. See how it is. You can see how it is. You can see the shape. Very, very fine. With the back piece. I'm going to do the other side. I will show you the final result of both sides. If you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. It's an act of encouragement and it's an act of value you have gotten from this video. If you know you enjoyed this video or you know this video has added something to you, do well to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so I to keep updating you whenever I upload new videos like this. You see the other side, the same thing I'm going to do. See, this is the center point, so I'm bending this way. The crease is on the ink region, you see. Then I'll place it like this center point. I'll make sure that is the center point I'm putting where my pin will hold on the machine. So just like so. Then see the ink, then this the crease. I place it together, very easy to do. Then I go. Then see the whole thing. You see what it is? You can see the ink still showing. I made this I make use of this ink because I want it to be very, very visible. This is an off-white fabric, but I want it to be very, very visible so that you can understand the process of making this. You can see what it is. Look at the other side also. This is one side. This is one side, and this is the other side. So I'm going to be showing you the entire thing, you know, on the board. You can see what it is. You can see it is very, very giving. Whenever you're making a suit, the back piece, if you want it to relax very well, to have a good shape at the back, use this method and you enjoy, you know, using the method. I'll put this on the dummy. I'll also show it to you in my other video. So until next time, thank you for tuning in. See you in my other videos. I have fantastic videos in my YouTube. You can go ahead to watch them. It will help your fashion career. If you want to learn how to make suit, you can also notify me by dropping your message. I can add you to a Telegram group where you will constantly have, where we have videos that will train you using the facilitated training technique, where you will learn how to make suits so very fast and so very easy. If you want to learn how to make suits, if you know you have the urge or you have the flair for suit making, you can go there. You can WhatsApp me. You can give me a message in my DM. Then I'll reply you. I'll join you to a Telegram group where you will learn how to make suit. Until next time, see you in my other videos. Cheers.